IEEE Access, the journal for rapid open access publishing. Do you have a dataset for a machine learning system and you have tried to train a system without obtaining the desired performance? In this IEEE Access video, you will learn how to find learning conflicts in a dataset, analysis of datasets with learning conflicts for machine learning. Why is finding a learning conflict important? Machine learning is used for traffic prediction, video surveillance, social media services, search engines, virtual personal assistants, email spam filtering, online customer support, product recommendation, online fraud detection, healthcare applications, business intelligence. What is a learning conflict? Machine learning is based on a set of examples in order to look for patterns and eventually make decisions based on these examples. Thus, machine learning allows computers to learn automatically without human intervention or assistance. However, some datasets may have conflicts that affect the performance of a machine learning system. How our method works? If you have a dataset with a set of inputs and a set of target values, and if there are two examples in the dataset that have similar input values, then when the first input value is applied to a machine learning system, the output value must be as much as possible close to the target value. Now, when the other similar input value is applied to the same machine learning system, the output value must be as much as possible close to the respective target. It is possible that the target value 1 and the other target value are similar. In this case, the learning system does not find any learning conflict because the system can produce similar outputs when similar inputs are applied. But when the target values are not similar, the learning system finds a learning conflict because it is not able to produce different outputs when both inputs are similar. Thus, there is an algorithm that combines the similarity between input 1 and the inputs of other examples with the target values to estimate the conflict level of example 1 and finally estimate the conflict level for each example. If the conflict level is normalized in the range from 0 to 1, then it is possible to detect those examples with learning conflicts and take actions to remove them and improve the performance of the machine learning system. To try the algorithm, you may download the Neural Lab software from Wikipedia. To download the full text of this publication, go to ieee.org/ IEEE-Access. Thanks for watching.